Hi guys, today I'll be making some black and gold New Year's nails. I will not be mentioning the brand of the acrylic that I will be using in today's video because I will be doing a more detailed review in the future in like a week or two from when I post this video. So yeah, that's why I won't be mentioning where I got the acrylic from. The nail tips I got from the Attitude shop. They're good. Processing took about 4 days. Shipping took about a week. Overall, the nail tips are good. They're your regular standard nail tips. They did come in a pack of 50 with 12 different sizes from 0 to 11. I did make a mess. I had acrylic everywhere, monomer everywhere, glitter everywhere, gel everywhere. So you will see in the background that it will get messy over time. But I cleaned it all up after I finished the set. So don't be surprised if you see a complete mess in the background. So I used some gold gel polish that I had to make the base for the gold acrylic because I didn't want to have to put too much acrylic to get the opaqueness that I wanted. So I went in and put a layer or two of the gold gel polish and then put the gold glitter acrylic on top. I got the gold polish from Beetles in a kit that I had got, which I do need to do a review of because I had bought it some time ago. I am using Kiara Sky Clear Acrylic and their monomer in this video. So I had mixed in some gold foil flakes and with some acrylic powder, some clear acrylic powder in another container so that it would be easier and so that the foil could be encapsulated so I didn't have to worry about filing over it. So I had got all of these charms from various places such as Amazon, Etsy, GA&EN, just a bunch of different places. I will link them down below. So at first I had planned on using magnets to keep the charms on the nail so that way they could be removed, you know, if the person wanted to remove them. But they didn't really come out looking right, so I had used gel instead. I used regular rhinestone glue, and I just used a lot of it to keep the charms on there. I might use poly gel in the future, clear poly gel, but yeah. So I got the rhinestones from Amazon. I don't know why, but it was really hard to find like some decent gold rhinestones. Like either some people's was too yellow or it was basically a bronze. So I had a really hard time finding the right one, but I did. And then I had got a pack of silver, gold, and rose gold nail beads. So I used a combination of some black rhinestones, gold rhinestones, and gold beads. This set took me about 3.5 hours to do. In a few seconds, you will see the final reveal shots. Let me know whether you like this set by commenting and liking the video. Also, subscribe